Alright, welcome back to Earl Do. Right now I'm cleaning the refrigerator out. Showing you how to clean the refrigerator. Well, I'm using my recipe my grandma showed me. Y'all see how it look? Wait till I'm done, you won't see how it look. Gonna be clean, just like I did the bathtub. Well, you ain't gotta waste no energy doing it. No, your refrigerator got like a sour smell to it. That means it's something in there rotting or something spilled in it. And we're gonna get it out. Now you see that stain there? I'm gonna spray this right there. See this right here? You can get this at any store. Spray that right there. It don't come right off. Then you gotta let it sit. It's gonna come right out. Look at that. Y'all see that? You see that stain? It just came right out. Right out. All you gotta do is spray that on there. Remember, before you open it, put a little alcohol in it and shake it up. And let it sit overnight. And the stuff will come off. No matter where it's at. Inside the refrigerator. It'll come straight out. And it leave a good smell inside your refrigerator when you open it. See? Like that. See, I like taking care of it now because my fiance won't complain that something's smelling inside the refrigerator. And then make sure you wash the towel. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you wash the towel real good. Get all the stuff that was sprayed on that off. If you could stay in a little hot water, stay in hot water, because hot water kill germs, like 99% of germs. So make sure you use hot water. And then you go back in there. My fiance, her little sexy butt in the way. You make sure you get all in the doors. And like, if your refrigerator ain't shedding, that means you need to clean like these little sponges that keep the cold in. But it's another reason why your refrigerator ain't closing. So make sure you clean that real good. Probably something sticky on there so it won't shed. Okay. There you go. Look at that. Now I want y'all to look at that and see how clean that is. Remember, you can get this at any store that sells cleaning supplies. Alright. Just in there like that. Just like that. Clean it right there. Okay, there you go. Thank y'all for tuning in. Earl Do. Continue tonight when I fix the speaker, a house speaker. I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that if it go out or it's not playing or it's not connecting to Bluetooth. Thank y'all.